Have you ever imagined with making just a few clicks and some copy-pasting magic to make an incredible $7,000 per week? Now fasten your seatbelts because I have an incredible surprise for you today. Is copying and pasting an email going to earn you that much money? The response is a big yes. I'm going to share all of the insider tips, tactics, and precise step-by-step instructions you need to get started on the path to financial independence in this tutorial. Let's get started. Hello and welcome to the Money Hustle, where earning money online is made easy. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. As a result, if you find this video to be useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you may be the first to watch the latest videos and apply the new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. So, in this step-by-step tutorial, I want to show you a secret formula that people are using to make over $7,000 per week using just one AI bot. And the best part is, you can replicate this strategy and make money online without having a website or investing any money. You can do it from anywhere in the world, even if you don't have any social media followers. The software is called VidIQ. It's a tool that helps people get more views and subscribers on YouTube. But here's the thing. You don't necessarily need to have a YouTube channel to make money with this method. Even YouTube creators use VidIQ to find relevant keywords, get video ideas, spy on competitors, and more to increase views and subscribers on our channels. The truly amazing thing about VidIQ is that they have an affiliate network as well. This implies that you can get paid a 50% recurring monthly commission if someone joins VidIQ via your affiliate link. By visiting the Affiliate Center, you can copy your affiliate link, which will resemble vidiq.com/your username. This is the thrilling part. As for Google, there are presently over 100 million active YouTube channels, and an increasing number of people understand that they may earn a substantial amount of money on the platform. You have a great chance to recommend all of these folks to VidIQ and earn money. The coolest part is that you may earn $7,000 a week without having a lot of people sign up using your link. Simply go to YouTube and enter whatever comes to mind. Let's say you enjoy playing the wildly popular game Fortnite. To display only videos uploaded within the previous hour, apply the following filter to the search results. This makes it easier for you to locate those budding producers that are joining the Fortnite community. Giving these creators a boost and assisting them in gaining more views and subscribers is our aim. Come together as a YouTube community and help one another. So here's the thing. The majority of YouTube channels reveal all of their personal information, including their email addresses, in the About section. By visiting their account and clicking on the About area, you may see their email address. And voila, their email is there ready for you to copy and use in your email campaign. Now, I have a clever trick up my sleeve before you hit them up. I'll show you how to create some amazing articles using Chat GPT, an AI tool. This tool is your go-to secret for producing material that will boost the level of your outreach efforts. Now let's begin with the steps. Step 1, head over to Chat GPT. Step 2, think about the topic you want to focus on for your video or article. For example, you could choose how to get more views on YouTube fast. Enter this topic into Chat GPT and it will generate a list of 10 different titles for you to choose from. Take a look at these titles and pay attention to the click-through rate. Look for titles that have a high CTR, as they tend to attract more viewers. Choose the title that resonates with you the most and feels like a good fit for your content. Step 3, it's time to focus on creating a highly engaging introduction paragraph for the title you've chosen. You can leave the generated introduction as it is and move on to the next step. This introduction will set the tone for your article and capture the attention of your readers right from the start. Step 4. In this step, you'll generate an outline for your article. Simply ask Chat GPT to write you an outline about your topic, including the title you are going to be using for your article. Now that we have the outline for the entire article, I'll guide you through the next steps. Ask Chat GPT to write you a full article based on the outline that was generated previously. Based on this outline, Chat GPT will generate the entire article for you. Once it's written, you'll see a copy button at the bottom of the Chat GPT results. Simply click on that button to copy the article. Next, head over to medium.com, which is a platform where you can share articles for free. This platform can help your article rank high on Google and bring you free traffic, even if you don't have your own website or social media followers. Now it's time to dive into the Medium website. First things first, sign up for an account. Easy peasy. Hit that right button and paste in the article you snagged from Chat GPT. Now let's jazz it up. Grab the article's title from the inside and cut it with a swift Ctrl+X, placing it where it belongs. Next up, let's declutter. Trim away the unnecessary bits and keep it clean and snappy. Now, down below, work your magic with a call to action section. Toss in your affiliate link and make it pop by going bold. Want to increase those sign-up chances? Copy-paste that call to action section a few times between the lines. Once you're done, you can publish the article on medium.com. This will make it live and accessible to readers. It's important to note that medium.com can bring you traffic, but to maximize your results, you should also copy the URL of the article you just shared and go back to YouTube. From there, find those small creators you identified earlier and start emailing them. Once your article goes live on medium.com, it can definitely attract traffic. However, if you want to maximize your results, I suggest copying the URL of the article and going back to YouTube to find those small creators you identified earlier. Look for their email addresses in the About section of their channels. If you find an email address, that's great. If not, move on to the next creator until you find one. It's best to be clear and concise when emailing these creators. The email template that follows can serve as a guide for you. Hey there! I just wanted to reach out and let you know that I love your videos. As a fellow creator, I specialize in helping others get more views and grow their channels quickly. If you're interested in learning some valuable tips and strategies, I'd be happy to send you a free guide. Let me know if you're interested, and I'll get it over to you right away. That's all you need to include in an email. By using this template, the creators will see that you're offering to help them increase their views, which is something every creator desires. They'll likely respond with interest and ask you to send them the free guide. The free guide you'll be sending them is the article you published on medium.com. Once they receive the guide, they'll have the opportunity to read through the article and see the call to action where they can sign up for VidIQ using your affiliate link. If they decide to sign up, you'll start earning recurring commissions as long as they remain a VidIQ user. That concludes our Make $7,000 per week copy pasting this email tutorial. Please remember to ring that notification bell and click the subscribe button if you're ready to make money from those clicks. Keep in mind that companionship is the foundation of success, so show your fellow hustlers this video. Please leave your questions or requests for more online money-making training in the comments section below. I'm here to assist you get to the next level. Stay tuned for the next money-making secret. Until we cross paths again, keep working hard, keep grinning, and let's turn those dreams into money.